Hello! We learned to draw a easy illustration of cat in this video. For this, first we make a U shape for the face of cat. Then draw a horizontal line. And make a curved V shape for the ear shape of cat on the top of face shape on both sides. Make this V shape in opposite direction. Outer shape of face is done. Just take a rough idea of center. Then make a triangle in the center of this shape for the nose of our cat. Draw the eyes on the both side, just above the both side of nose. Make a curved shape of mouth of the cat. Just below the triangle of nose. And complete the mouth shape with another small curve between these two curves. For the body, make a big curved line just behind the face. It's a upper body shape of cat. Then make a soft curvy line below the face. And draw one more soft curve with some gap of first one. It's a front leg of cat. Give a curve on the upside of leg and draw a line from upside down. Draw one more line for the second leg and join these two lines with a lower curve. Front body part is done. Now we make a shape of tummy. make a shape of belly of cat. And draw the back side leg with curved shape. Give a small curve at the lower side and draw one more line with lower curve. It's a fourth leg of cat. Now draw a tail on the top of cat's back with the upside down curve. At last, we draw the whiskers of cat one by one on the both sides of nose. Now our pencil sketch is done. We go to the second step. Start to give a final look to our pencil illustration. Draw the eyes, then make a final nose. Make a shape of ear with pen. Draw the headline. Make a curve of shape. Make a curved shape of face with pen. Now draw the mouth with a final touch. Whiskers of cat. Just take an idea to move your hand after an idea. Start to give a final touch with pen to your illustration. With this tip, you draw the right line in a right motion. Draw the legs with pen. Front legs are done. draw the lower belly shape. And the last leg. Now make a tail with pen, and after this follow the final step. Erase all the pencil line and your cute little cat is ready. Bye bye.